Hello, students. I hope you all are well, and also I hope that you have understood the topics covered in the previous videos. So, moving towards the next topic, we have discussed the first chapter. We started from the second chapter basically. So, we have completed that chapter. We have discussed the third chapter also. The two instruments were left, which we will be discussing in this particular video. So, starting with the very first instrument, that is barometer. Basically, barometer is used to record the atmospheric pressure, and the correct reading is given through the barometer, which was invented by Fortin. So it is not easy to carry that barometer when we are going somewhere. So it is not portable, as it is having a large volume of mercury, but it is very much accurate. So instead, the aneroid barometers are used as they are portable and they are very convenient to take anywhere. Also, they are not having any fluids in it, so it is very much easy to carry them. It is easy for the mountaineers, for everyone, it is easy to carry, even it is small in size also. Sometimes the screen, you can say, it can be digital also, while sometimes it is clock like. So it can be of any type. Now you can see the structure with the help of this diagram, that in this diagram there is a pointer which is above the dial, and a chain is attached, pivot joint you can see, hinge joint you can see, and they are having partial vacuum. The air is pumped out so that the air pressure it can be measured accurately, and above it you can see this dial like structure which is used. So it is very easy to carry, and we have used it many a times also. Moving towards the next instrument, that is anemometer. It is used to measure the wind speed, and wind speed is basically we use kilometer per hour as unit to measure the wind speed. It is having four cup like structures, which is you can say a vertical shaft is taken. Above that, all these four are placed, and wind pushes the cups, and then the shaft turns and speed is noted down. Okay, the turns are counted. So it looks like this, you can see it. The shaft, when it rotates, it is measured, the numbers, the turns it has taken, it has rotated, how many turns are taken. So this way they measure the speed of the wind, and it is measured in kilometer per hour. This you have to keep in your mind. Mostly the wind vane and anemometer are attached together. Now we will be discussing what is wind vane. Wind vane, or the weather cock, it indicates the direction of the wind, that in which direction is the wind moving. So it is having a cock is mostly seen above that, and it is having directions. It rotates, the arrow rotates, and it points towards the direction in which the wind is blowing. Okay, so it is very much helpful. Mostly we can see both of them are attached together. You can see with the help of this particular diagram or figure also, that in this north, south, east, west, they are written. 4 points are there, and an arrow is also seen. Okay, so wherever it will move, it will indicate the direction, that in which direction wind is blowing. So this is used to see that the direction of wind, while the anemometer is used to measure the speed. So both are different. Now when we prepare the maps, there are different places which are having same temperature. They are joined with the lines, those lines which are joining the places with the same temperature are known as isotherms. Joining the places with same amount of rainfall are isoheights, while same atmospheric pressure are known as isobars. Therm is for temperature, so you can remember it. So this is the way they are joined. Lines you can see, although I can also say that in this particular picture, the temperature is not very much clear, but it is very much clear in your book, so you can see with the help of your book. Or if you're not having, I am having another diagram in which in this particular, in the next map, you can see it clearly. with this you can see that from Gujarat, above that 30 degrees Celsius temperature is shown, and the line is joining many places. It is touching the Madhya Pradesh also, and then it is moving towards JNK side, Punjab it is covering, and it is showing us 30 degrees Celsius only, and we are ending it in Pakistan. The line is ended up in Pakistan and starting also from there only. So this way you have to mark the temperature or isotherms. Both the maps which we have discussed were of isotherms. Now the rainfall, iso heights. In this again, rainfall is measured in millimeters. So you can see again the same way the isotherms were drawn. Similarly, these are drawn. But now we are not measuring the temperature, so we will be writing the rainfall. And the places where the rainfall is same, we will be marking with the same line. Like in this one also you can see the one having the same rainfall are joined with the same line, with one particular line they are joined. And we have written, or the one who has made this map, he or she has written it very clearly that 30 mm, this is annual rainfall. Sometimes it's monthly, sometimes it's for 2 months, quarterly also it can be there. So this map is of annual. The next one is your isobars. Isobars is where the where the atmospheric pressure is the exact same. When the atmospheric pressure of different places is same, then we have to join that line with we have to join that line, all the places should be covered, and then we have to end that line. And in the end, starting and end, both the points, we have to write the atmospheric pressure. And you know that the atmospheric pressure is same at all the points this particular line is joining. So we will be writing the same in the beginning, and at the end also we will be writing the same. So from where we are starting the line, we have to write the atmospheric pressure, and at the end also we will be writing the same. With this we have completed our chapter, the third chapter, weather and the climate. You have to complete the back exercises of this chapter, the third chapter, and you have to write only the question answers in your notebooks. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much. And if you have any doubt, just mention in the comment section, or you can ask me whatever you want to do, you can do. But complete your work and do the question answers only in your notebooks.